A couple of red-headed woodpeckers visited my bird woodhouse. It was a surprise to me to find out that the woodpeckers were examining the woodhouse for nesting, because its dimension and design were optimized for the smaller bird species. When the breeding season arrives in late April, the males begin pecking faster and louder to attract a mate. Red-headed woodpeckers create mating bonds that may last for several years or even for life. Incubation begins after the last egg is laid, and it takes 14 days before the baby birds hatch. The young leave the nest about 30 days after hatching. The female typically lays 4 to 7 white eggs. Both males and females share incubation. The male incubates at night and the female incubates during the day. The couple of woodpeckers have not come back to the wood box the last few days. Probably because the female has chosen a different location for nesting. Subscribe to my channel if you want to know how this story developed.